All right, YouTube, here's the welder air compressor trailer I've been working on. I got a lot done off camera. I went ahead and painted it, finished welding everything. I got the lights almost wired in. It's not finished. I got a ground to hook up, and I got to hook up the tail lights yet. I went ahead and capped the end with just a piece of diamond plate I had. Nothing crazy, just a little piece. I got the 1/2-inch air hose mocked up, which how it'll hang, and then I added 2 more for welding leads. And then yeah, like I said, I went ahead and painted it. I still need to go ahead and finish wiring the tail lights on it, and I need to get a set of tires for it. They are these ones, the rims are, it's set flat long enough that the tread's cracked, and they both leak at the rim. So yeah, anyways, that looks pretty good for what it is and who it's for. I did get a gas welder though. Let me show you guys. All right, so here is the gas welder. It's a Lincoln Welding Power 150 AC welder, not a DC. So obviously not the most desirable welder, but it should work for repairs. And then if I have a major one, I'll battle that with something else. But the price reflects the condition. Needs an air filter. It does run. I would like to move the Honda gas tank and move it so it's not sitting on top like that. I did plug in the power outlets and ran a drill off of it, so I know it's producing power. I tried to weld with it, and I could get an arc to start, but I couldn't keep it going. So I'm not sure if that was the welding rod that they had. It was just something they had kind of sitting around, or if it has some issue there. But it does have really nice leads, shorter leads, but they are, I mean, this is Tweco, which is a nice brand, and there are brand new single aught cable, welding lead cable, that I think they're 8 feet long or 10 feet long each. So eventually I'll get longer leads, but that's the welder, and I am looking forward to getting it mounted on the trailer and hopefully being able to use it. So all right guys, thanks for watching.